I am sure you've heard of Microsoft Designer. In this video, I will show you how to use Microsoft Designer and provide my full feedback, no holding back, throughout this video. So we will cover what is Microsoft Designer and is it free? How do you get it? And also I will show you how to use Microsoft Designer. So let us get started. So what is Microsoft Designer? Okay, so basically Microsoft Designer is part of Microsoft 365 suite, the whole Microsoft suite. So Microsoft Designer lets you design graphics for various purposes like logos, invitations, social media posts, website banners, etc. The list goes on. It stands out from the other design tools because of its integration with DALL-E 2. And DALL-E is an artificial intelligence technology that enables you to create original images by inputting a text description. So is this free? Basically, the app is accessible to everyone as a free app. However, there will be additional premium features available exclusively to the Microsoft 365 personal and family subscribers, right? Which I am part of. So how can you get access to Microsoft Designer? So Microsoft Designer is available for preview via a waiting list. And this is how I actually got on. I subscribed to the waiting list. In approximately 1 day, I got an email saying that I got in. Okay, it was pretty simple like that. All right, guys, so now we are inside Microsoft Designer. Basically, what we are faced with instantly is we have to describe the design we'd like to create, right? It actually gave us an example, an Instagram post about cosmetic product launch on April 1st. So let me enter my prompt. Okay, so basically, let us click on generate and see what happens. Okay, so this is what we got, right? We actually got some lovely images here. We also can add our image from our phone, from a device, and from our media. The media is what we already would have uploaded in Microsoft Designer. We can also generate an image. So let us remove this and insert a teacup with yellow tea. Let us generate an image for that. So basically I entered the prompt the wrong place. Okay, so we can also generate an image. So let's click on generate image. And as you can see, you have different examples you can try if you just want to play around with it. Or you can enter a prompt here and let us see what it will generate for us. Okay, so I really like these, but let us say a teacup with yellow tea on a white background. Okay, a white background, and it's actually giving you different ideas of prompts that you can use. So in the style of a pixel art, distortion, viewed from behind detail, lens flare, etc. I am not sure what I would like to have, but let us try this one. Okay, so they said something went wrong, right? Let's copy this, refresh the page. So let us go back to generate image. Okay, so let us see what we get here. Right, so I like what I'm seeing here. But let us try one of these here. Okay, so yeah, so there's style is working. So this is beautiful, actually very beautiful, right? So I'm just showing you what can be created. So you can just click on one of those and click on select, and it will go ahead and create the image or create your artwork or your poster, your Instagram page. Okay, so they are actually giving me ideas. They are actually telling me to try to be more descriptive with my prompt, such as a holiday theme sale post with motion. Okay, so it's an Instagram post Right. So as you can see, it is actually giving me, it is actually helping me. I really like the idea here, right? Because it actually can help you create your posts. If you do not like this image, you can simply delete this, and it will of course regenerate something else for you that you can use. And I like what it has selected. So all you have to do is select one of these and select on customize design. So now you are in the work area, the workstation area. This is very similar to Canva, as you can see. But it's very simple. I think it's pretty good for beginners or someone who really don't want to do much or don't know much when it comes to designing. As you can see in the corner here, it has new ideas. So basically it will generate different ideas for you that you can use for your design. So you can click here and a new idea will pop up here for you, right? And of course you can simply click on the text and drag this around to make it a little more convenient. And then at the top here you have your normal widget that you can toggle, right? And you have your bold, you have your color. You can change your text, your color of your text by clicking on the color here, and you can change the color to suit, of course. And of course you have your font style as well, right? So you can change the font here, and you have your opacity, and you can drag this and make it as light or as heavy as you like. Okay, so when you click your design, your picture, you can change so many things at the top here. You can change the background. You can replace the picture with a different picture from gallery, such as this. Easy and simple. So let us undo this. Right, so you click on the picture and you click on replace picture image from gallery, and you simply click on the picture here, and simply you've replaced your picture. Okay, so these are design elements from the last picture. So you click on this and you can just hit delete basically, and you can delete this or drag it off the canvas area just like this. Okay, I'll drag it out just like this. Okay, at the top you have undo and redo, and you can zoom in as much as you like and zoom out to basically fit. Okay, and we have crop. Again, you can crop your image, and you also have different effects, right? So you can make a picture much lighter or darker. You can show all the effects and just play around with this basically. And you can blur background, you can remove background, just like Canva. Let's just click on remove background, and we did this, and we have just the T. Can you select this? So okay, so it has removed the background, and we are not able to move the image by itself. Okay, so the image, you cannot move the image apparently. So I'm clicking on it, right? So you can click here to rotate, and you have opacity, so you can make the image lighter or darker, and you have resize, so you can resize the size of your canvas, as you can see here. Okay, you can make it small or keep it at its current size. Okay, right, so let us look over on this side. We have different templates that you can use, and of course these are the different styles of templates you can use. So you can type in birthday template, you can type in graduation template, and so forth. So it's pretty simple. So basically the templates are theme templates. As you can see, if I type in Facebook or Instagram, you're not getting anything here. Then you click on my media. So these are stuff that I have used in the past, different images and so forth. And all the images that you have generated using the AI will show up here as well. And images that you would have also imported will show up in here as well. Okay, in this area, upload files. So you can upload from these devices, of course, Google Drive, etc. And then let us look at the visuals. So the visuals, you can see here, you have all the visuals. And since our theme is tea, they are basically showing us, recommending different type of tea images that you can use. And when you click on the image, the ideas, the new ideas section will pop up here, you know, just helping us design. I really like this feature. I really like this feature because sometimes you're busy and you are creating on the go, and this feature, I think it's the bomb. Really, I love this feature. Okay, so you can easily click on a design style just like this. So now we can get this to move. So okay, let us delete this, or you can ask it to inspire me and see what else it has produced for us. Okay, so when you click on the image, you can go to inspire. So we'll just click on this. So we can actually click on this and use AI to give us more ideas, more pictures similar to this. So we have clicked on inspire, and these are the different image styles, and so it has produced for us. Okay, and image color, you know, intensity and so forth, you know. So it is actually recommending these for us to use. Okay, and as you can see, as fast as I am clicking here, the ideas on the other side is changing. So you can also click on new ideas to go back the AI generator to start from scratch. Okay, but you can click on your image. So let us go back to, we are in visuals, so we can click on photos, and we can actually get a large, you know, a decent amount of photos here that you can use in your graphics. We also have different graphic elements such as tea and so forth that you can actually just place on your image, right? And if you're not sure how to use this, then you will go to generate ideas. Okay, but however, the ideas section will only show up if it has any ideas. Okay, so there isn't any ideas, right? So you have to go back to the drawing board. So basically, there isn't any ideas for this. So you go to visual again, and you can go to video, and you can also incorporate video into this as well. Let us just stick the video there, and I really need help to, you know, incorporate this in my design because I am not sure how to use any of this. So let us go into ideas and see what it has generated. And these are the cool stuff it has generated for us. We can actually click on this, and we can have a video and an image in one design. And this is beautiful, guys. This is beautiful. A video and an image. Huh. This is beautiful. Let us type teacup. Okay, and I really don't know how to incorporate this. Let us see what the design styles has to offer, and click on design, and this is what it is showing us. Or we can use this one, and this is what it is showing us. Okay, you can double click on this and move it around. See, double click and move if we like. Guys, this is a feature I really like. This is sort of like a blend with PowerPoint. You know, PowerPoint, when you put a whole heap of images and videos together, it will give you different idea style. I really like this. I think this is the best. And yes, the designs are simple, but if you are in a rush, it will work for you. You will make it work. Look at this. It's simple, it's nice, it's something you can use. And of course, you don't have to use it as is. You can fix it up, but the layout is really nice. So we have videos here. Let us go into text. So of course, you have the different text option here. You can go into what I like here. So the different text options. So it is suggesting a text style that you can use. So this text is already used in the design, as you can see here. So it is suggesting two texts that you can use for your design, two different styles of designs here that you can use as well. And I really like this. I think this is a pretty good feature. I can't remember if Canva has this. I think so, but I know at one point I was struggling. I didn't know how to match my font. I think Canva just came out with something like that, but it is not as clear as this. Yeah, they have something, but you know, it is not as clear and obvious as this one. This is really nice. Okay. However, they do not, I'm not seeing any area where you can upload your font. You can say inspire me, and when you inspire me, it will suggest different texts that you can use. Okay, so let us go in brand kit. So brand kit is similar to Canva, and you can click on the brand kit and well, anyone, and it will basically shuffle around things and make it look similar to your brand style. All right. However, we can upload our own brand. So let us edit brand. So this, let us delete this. So brand kit now, we can get started and create our own brand, and we can select our colors. As you can see, just select color. So start with suggestion for your brand colors. I don't know. So it's a tea business. Okay. Let us name our brand kit tea time. Okay. Right. So let us see what it will suggest. And these are perfect. So these are great colors for tea, right? And of course, you can click on these and make changes. Click on these and make changes. However, I like the suggestion. Guys, I really don't want to think too much, but I like the suggestion. Then you can click here and you can add another color, and you can click and add another color. Of course, scroll down. If you have the hex number or the hex code of your brand color, you can add that in right here. You can add the hex number or the hex code of whatever you're looking for, but I think I will work with this and click on next. So next you can choose your font, right? I like to work with suggested just for this example, just to keep it short. So you click on next, right? After your tea time, after you've selected your colors, you click on next. Then now we have the heading. I will simply use what it is suggesting and just click use a Georgia font. Click on next. For the subheading, I will use this one, the Avenir next, LT Pro. Click on next. I will just again use what it is suggesting. For the body text, I would use this, or I can use this one, same thing, right? And you click on next. So here it is telling you that selected colors are too similar and may create accessibility issues for your audience. So try choosing colors with greater contrast. So again, it is suggesting colors. So let us use what it is suggesting. Okay, let us delete this, and I think this should be fine. Preview brand kit. Okay, so this is the brand kit. It is still saying the colors they don't work. Okay, so let us work on that. Okay, I will work with whatever it has suggested, and I will work with that. So this is fine. So this is our tea time brand kit. We have these lovely colors, and we have a preview of how it will look. The artwork, we have our 3 fonts selected and so forth. So you're going to save that, right? So this is our brand kit. Here we have tea time. So just click on the tea time, click again. Similar to Canva, you can just click again until you find a color that fits. Okay guys, so basically I had some issues selecting our brand, which is the tea time. So now I am on the tea time brand kit. So this is what it will look like. Okay, so similar to Canva, you click on it several times and it will shuffle around colors. And if this is what you like, you can use this. Okay, so inside of this, we also have to name our design. So since we started outside, we can rename our design. We can start a new design, etc. Right? So we have new design here, and the new design will take us out to start over designing again from scratch. So we're back here and we can download. So let us look at this. We can send feedback to Microsoft. So if there's something that we are not happy with, send feedback. Okay, and we have what's new. So the what's new basically will tell you what new updates, right, that was done with the Microsoft designer, but there isn't anything here. And then you can manage your account from here. So let us go into downloads. And into downloads, since we have a video, we can download the video. So let us go into downloads, and into downloads, since we have a video, we can download the video. So let us go into downloads, and into downloads, since we have a video, we can download the video. So let us go into downloads, and into downloads, since we have a video, We can download the video MP4, which is recommended. Then we have the PNG and JPEG. We even have PDF option as well. Okay, and we have copy URL, and we can also send this design to our phone. Okay, so we have use AI for captions or hashtags. So this definitely need to connect to our Facebook page. So let us try this. Okay. Okay, so now I am linked to Microsoft Designer Service on Facebook. Okay, so now I am connected. My Instagram is now connected to Facebook. So we can say we want persons to know about our tea launch. It is actually helping you with the caption. Okay, so these are really nice. I can easily choose one and click on preview, and that is it. And then you can publish to Instagram. Okay, so I also want to show you the download section here. You can copy, so you can copy this, generating your video link. Okay, so your video link has been copied to clipboard, so you can actually click on copy and open a new tab and click on paste and enter, and this is what you will see. Okay, of course there isn't any sound because there isn't any way to add any audio here to the designer as yet, but I'm sure that Microsoft will work on that. Okay, so you can click on preview at the top and it will give you an idea of how everything is looking, right? So let us go to, I want to make this a bit simpler, so I want to show you how you can view this on your phone, right? So let us generate an idea to make this look beautiful. Okay, and let me show you how this will look on your phone. All right, so when you click on center phone, so I will just click on center phone and open my, so I will open my phone now, and as you can see, it is giving me the Microsoft website, and I will click on that, and here is my design. See how easy it is, and all you have to do is click on download. You can view or download. Okay, and you can also share it from here, right? So you can also view it as well. Okay, so I think we have covered a lot of stuff right now. So guys, if you're interested in Microsoft Designer, please feel free to click on the link below. Guys, if you are enjoying this type of content, please like and subscribe so that I can bring you more AI tools that will help you make that money. Okay, so subscribe.